that might be the definition of an assault weapon that would basically cover every single modern sporting rifle in America, you idiot. I added, you idiot. This is how radical this left is. They want to control power. They want open borders. They want D.C. statehood. They want to have no integrity in elections, HR1, SR1. They want New Green Deal radical socialism. $6 trillion, we take in less than 4 usually as a country. Oh, okay, that's going to be great for our kids and grandkids. This is bad for the country, all of it. I mean, it was brutal. He got brutalized. He got owned at this Senate hearing. You got to see it. It's more on TV today. You know, by the way, Americans are noticing the rising rates of crime. Yeah, trust, confidence, law enforcement. Most Americans have great trust, 72%. Compared to a year ago, is there more or less crime? 73% say more. How could you not say more? The only people that would deny that truth, that simple, undeniable truth, would be the people that denied that there were riots last year. And they got the Attorney General of Joe Biden, Merrick Garland. He's vowing to fight the homicide epidemic, record numbers, with community relations programs. This is this whole reimagining police departments where we're going to send psychiatrists. You know, oh, there is a domestic violence situation emerging. We're going to send in a psychiatrist? Pretty unbelievable. And defund the police. I keep asking. Nobody can give me an answer. Who are you going to call? Who are you going to call? Because, you know, and I always say to people, you better count on yourself in life. I'm not depending on the government for anything. I'm pretty sure by the time my Social Security age comes, that they're just going to means test it, steal the money I've been paying my entire life into Social Security. They'll legalize stealing it. That's what I expect. Not good. Now, there was an armed teacher. This is in Utah. He's a hero. He pulled out his concealed firearm anyway, and there was a man that was trying to kidnap an 11-year-old student. Anyway, so police officers arrived, and they found the teacher that witnessed the situation. The teacher was inside the classroom, saw what was happening, this kid's being taken, ran outside, confronted the suspect. The girl was able to break free. The teacher was able to get all the students inside off the playground, into the school. Then the guy that was trying to snatch the kid approached the school and was trying to force his way inside. The teacher happened to be a licensed concealed gun carrier, pulled his firearm, and then held the suspect till the police arrived. More guns, less crime. It's a great book, updated regularly by John Locke. You may want to read it. You can give it to friends of yours in the mob and the media. Big tech. You might learn something. For most people, your home is your biggest investment, right? All right, you redo your basement, right? It's expensive, but you know what? It increases the value of your home. Maintain a good roof so you don't have leaks, and new siding, windows, whatever repairs you have. Now, then you don't want to mess up these investments and have clogged gutters, and that means the water then seeping into your foundation and into your basement that you spent remodeling, and then you have more of the mildew. Mitigating that's a disaster, and you don't want to get up on a ladder anymore and take out the muck and the mud and the leaves and clean out your gutters a couple times a year. Well, that's what Leaf Filter, America's #1 gutter guard, protects against. To protect your greatest investment, your home. It is a one-time investment. They have a lifetime transferable warranty. They'll handle everything from start to finish with one easy phone call, and today you get an additional 15% off. Protect your home, your biggest investment. Schedule your estimate today. It's simple to do. Dial pound 250 on your cell. Say the keyword Leaf Filter. Pound 250, keyword Leaf Filter. Or go to their website, tryleaffilter.com. tryleaffilter.com. Protect that investment.
Exposing government waste and abuse of your liberties every day. Sean Hannity is on right now. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
You know, on the folded flag, we see more than 1 million dependents of fallen or disabled U.S. service members. Over 90% of them don't qualify for educational assistance. Homes of Honor's mission is to provide academic scholarships to spouses and children of military members who have either been severely disabled or killed whose freedom isn't free. Homes of Honor's mission will never be complete. This Memorial Day weekend, you can honor their sacrifice by educating their legacy. Join the squadron at holdsofhonor.org.
Do you want to invest in cash flowing real estate without all the hassles? Introducing CashInvestment.com, a national private equity real estate fund with over $380 million under management. We have an offer available to invest right now in an institutional level, newly built apartment community in Orlando, Florida. Only available to independently verified and accredited investors. Visit CashInvestment.com for details on how you can invest today. That's CashInvestment.com.
This report is sponsored by Rhode today.
Crews on scene for an accident. Bell River on 24 North, approaching 195. Traffic backup. Penetrating to 1. That's through the 80. Delays remain in that area. There's also problems on 195 westbound near the Braggett Ridge. We're busy westbound after Broadway up to the 95 split. 95 North jamming up right now just after Route 37 up to the state offices at South. We're busy through the S-curve south past Atwells Avenue and 195. 146 backed up almost to Mineral Spring Avenue. The 6th connector inbound back to Dean Street. 295 north on your brakes approaching Route 37. The ABC 6 traffic center on Jim Stearns.
Come Sit In is offering a complimentary bottle of wine or a quart of their homemade chicken soup for pickup orders for $45 or more. The full menu is available for takeout from noon to 10 every day. Coming soon from Market at Cohesive.
This Money Matters Minute is brought to you by the Armstrong Advisory Group. Amazon is reportedly prompted by MGM, the vaunted film studio that was a staple of Hollywood's golden age. The tie-up would give the tech firm a big brand to reveal that competition as streaming grows fiercer by the day. MGM's iconic logo with the roaring lion displayed for tons of classic films, including the James Bond series, and the studio could be valued between $7 and $10 billion. A deal's been touted for a while. Reports have circulated for years that Amazon has wanted to buy a big entertainment property to bolster its streaming video service. In 2018, Bloomberg said it was in the running to buy Landmark Theaters, a specialty cinema chain. Last year, the Daily Mail suggested it could purchase AMC Theaters. This Money Matters Minute has been brought to you by the Armstrong Advisory Group. For over 30 years, Gary and his team have been helping families with their financial strategy and estate planning needs. Call them today for a no-obligation consultation at 800-393-4001. That's 800-393-4001. Securities offered through Securities America Incorporated. Member FINRA SIPC. And advisory services offered through Securities America Advisors Incorporated. Armstrong Advisory Group and Securities America companies are not affiliated. Here's this week's Wiki Deal. A $100 gift certificate to Apex Entertainment in Marlboro, Mass. for half price. Apex is the largest family entertainment center in New England. Less than an hour from Rhode Island. Find 30 lanes of bowling, a multi-level go-kart track, sports simulators, bumper cars, laser tag, rope sports, Apex mini golf, Apex Kids, and a full restaurant and bar. Apex Entertainment. Perfect weather is always guaranteed. Get your $100 gift certificate to Apex Entertainment in Marlboro, Mass. for half price this Friday at NewsRadioRI.com/wicked deals. Listen to the plot line with your host Rick Hughes every Sunday morning at 6 here on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Join us every Sunday for 30 minutes of inspiration, motivation, and education, all without manipulation. The plot line with Rick Hughes. We're here on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM every Sunday morning at 6.
Facebook will review its ban on former President Trump in 6 months. Let us know if Facebook should let Trump back on. Vote in Newsmax's poll. Text the word RESPOND to 39747. That's RESPOND to 39747. We'll share results on Newsmax with great recent guests like Donald Trump, Mike Huckabee.
The world of
I get.
you probably think Steve.
It's a point for him.
Thursday edition of the Hot Board.
Finds best in class.
Seeing a coach, a bunch of coaches, like, come on, guys. You guys are better than...
An Odyssey station.